Fuse box location for Volkswagen Jetta. Here we got one of the fuse box located here on the engine compartment right here, and if you want to access those fuses, we got this cover. I got two tabs. You gotta pull them toward the front of the vehicle just like that, and once you got those out, and you can pop the cover out like this, and there goes your fuse box. My question is, how do I know which fuse is for what? Because normally those fuses have the map on the back of the cover. So if you know the answer for that question, let me know on the comments section. So that is one of the fuse box location. The other one is gonna be over here inside the cab by the power steering, right here on the side, and there we go. And the same again, even this one's supposed to show me which fuse is for what on the back of the cover, but looking at the cover, there was nothing to describe which fuse is for what. I'm still trying to get the answer. Let me know what you think on the comment section if you know the answer for my questions. If you don't, we'll continue figuring out. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.